Hi everyone, FT here, and I've got another package from my friends at Airsoft World. Oh, and I picked that up while I went out to collect the package. Didn't see it in the cinema, so I'm going to watch it on my TV. So I thought I'd do a box opening. It arrived today. A lovely piece of card. I think this is packaging. Okay, there's the first package. Let's see what's inside this, shall we? Yeah, Technical Master gas magazine by Wii for the P08. Nice. Yeah, very nice. No gas in it. It's the Wii P08, and this should be the 4-inch version. Yeah, you get your magazine. Small, medium or large. Oh yeah, that's really nice. And there it is, the 4-inch Luger. Yeah, it looks good. And of course I've got another magazine. So there it is. Is the ASG Aruga Mark 1. So you get the manual, non-blowback. I don't often get non-blowbacks, but I like these so much I decided to get the Mark 1. I've already got the Mark 2. Yeah, it's quite nice. ASG branded. It's much lighter than the Mark II because I believe this one's all plastic. But it's still got the look. They look great, I think. Obviously these 1.3 dual there. When I do the review I'll work that out in FPS and meters per second. ASG, and the cowl is 6mm BB. And it's got ASG on the grips. The grips are different as well compared to the Mark II. I'll do a comparison when I do the review. I can't comment on the magazine because I can't quite remember. It looks the same, except of course this one is green gas and the Mark II I have is CO2. There will be some review videos of this Mark 1 and a comparison between the Mark 1 and the Mark 2. And obviously, of course, I will be doing a review of the Luger, the 4-inch P08. Good morning everyone, FT here. I say good morning because it's 9:15 on a Saturday. And I've just had a delivery, which is this massive box here. And I'm hoping it's from JD Airsoft here in the UK. So let's get into it. Okay, well I've got my receipt. I decided to booster my Airsoft pistol collection in one foul swoop. So I've got quite a few things in here. They will all be reviewed individually on different videos. So this is really just a box opening of what's inside. Airsoft Mag-Fed Paintball Street Art. Grenade magazine. Never heard of it, but I'm looking forward to having a read of that. So you've got the standard air pack packing. And then lots of boxes. I'll just open the boxes, do a quick look-see. So standard Wii boxes for Europe. They're basically cardboard brown boxes with a sticker stuck on the front, and this is of course a 1911. So we get the standard Wii magazine. And there we have it. This is a silver Wii 1911. Nice silver mag. This is one of a pair I've ordered. So I've got this one for a project. I've decided I'm going to enhance it and make it my version of a Hitman 1911. I actually have two of those. Right, so you can see what this is. This is a P38. And I've gone for the black P38. Oh, that's nice. Really nice. I'll do a full review of these. Notice you've got the catch at the bottom here. So World War I, World War II era airsoft pistols I'm collecting. All these boxes are basically the same. Well, this is another 1911. So again, standard Wii magazine. Let's take a look, see what I've got. You either love it or you hate it. I finally gave in and got one of these cartel, whatever you call them, 1911s. And I'm still not sure about it. It actually feels okay. Still had to be done, add it to the collection. Okay, and here we have it. Makarov. Now this is really quite nice. What they've done is they've put some weird text, supposed to make it look a bit like Russian. Dominate the field, Makarov series. And this is the assassin version. I'll do a full review on these. This has a catch at the bottom as well for the magazine. This one is the assassin version, so it comes with a mock silencer, but it does have a barrel extension. And it's quite clever how we have done this, because you can actually screw the barrel extension into the barrel that's already there. So you've now got a barrel that much longer, and I do believe it does up the feet per second, meter per second. You then screw on your mock suppressor, and there it is. Pretty nice. Anyway, we'll do the review later. Let's break this down. Very quick, very easy. The threads are beautifully smooth. Nice weight to the mock suppressor. Doesn't feel hollow, it feels full of metal, you know, full and heavy. And this has got a lovely weight to it for such a little pistol. This is another silver 1911 to go with the other one to make the pair for the assassin project I'm doing. This is another 1911. 1911 Commando, or Mini 1911 as we call it. It's got wet written on the side of the barrel, but we'll cover all that during the review. So that's a nice compact little 1911. Right, just two more to go. This one, which is a high power, Browning high power. I've already got a Browning high power. So again, on Wii magazines. It's a good quality magazine, that one, much better. Still in Chinglish, but there you go. This one is a bling version. Look at that. I loved this so much when I got my black one. I put some lovely real wood Browning grips on it. I've got some more coming. I'll get them from Turkey and I'll replace these ones with them as well. This needs a bit of a polish, but it really catches that light. Wow. Polished up lovely. Again, full reviews will be coming for all of these. So the G series. So I've got the Wii 18C because I had a KWA one which I put into my carbine kit, which is here. This is a KWA 18C and it's stuck on full auto. Now it's a known problem, doesn't matter where you put this selector, whether it's on semi or full, it just blasts away at full auto. And the problem's up here in the slide, and I have to strip the whole thing down, look at replacing it, but there's a lot of wear you get on the things. So I thought, sod it, if it's going to stay in full auto, I'll keep it in here, keep it on full auto, which is better than semi. I've got a much bigger magazine for it, so it'll last a bit longer. And it actually looks quite smart. And okay, it's an 18, but it's on full auto. I can't adjust it. So I wanted an 18 that of course I could switch. So I've got this one, which will be just a standalone exactly as it is. Do a full review on that. So it was really good. I managed to get all of these from a single source. So we have the Glock 18C. We have the high power, silver and shiny. We have the Mini 1911. By the way, I'm just about to order the 1911-1943 version. I have one silver series 1911 and I have the second silver series 1911. A pair of those will go towards my Hitman project. I have the Makarov Assassin with the silencer and the extended barrel. I have the P38 black, and I have the love it or hate it, the Marmite floral patterned or Cartel 1911, plus a few magazines, all by Wii. So I've got quite a few review videos coming up. And also I've got a project video coming up with those 1911s. And I've got to say, JD Airsoft, I'm not paid by them, I'm not sponsored by them, but my goodness, JD Airsoft have a fantastic site. The crew there, the people, they're so well organised. I have no complaints whatsoever. They're super. One-stop shop for all of that. How can I possibly complain? So that's my mega bundle, and I've got a very special one coming for Christmas. You mentioned Christmas and it's not even October. I know. So please stay tuned. I look forward to you joining me. And any comments, please leave your comments, ask questions. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you on another video. Cheers.